Did you know that one woman went from being a prisoner to ruling the entire Western Roman Empire? In 410 AD, when barbarian warriors stormed Rome, they captured Princess Galla Placidia. But instead of being sold as a slave, something shocking happened. She fell in love with her captor, the Visigoth king Adolf. Their wedding was so grand it made Romans furious. A Roman princess marrying a barbarian? Unthinkable. But when Adolf was murdered, Galla was dragged back to Rome and forced to marry a Roman general. Little did anyone know, this was just the beginning of her master plan. When her husband died, she became regent for her young son. For 25 years, she was the real power behind the throne. She crushed rebellions, built magnificent churches, and made deals with barbarian kings that kept the empire alive. This former prisoner had become the most powerful woman in the world, bridging two civilizations during Rome's darkest hour. The barbarian bride had outsmarted them all.